Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Motrix in your computer in a very simple way. Motrix is a beautiful download manager supporting torrent magnets and HTTP links. How you can simply download it? It's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Motrix and then click enter. And then you're going to get the download option. Click on the download. And here is for the NSI installer portable 64. So I'm going to go for 64. And you can see, click on the download option. And as you see that the Motrix download has been completed. Now, if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Click allow. Here is Motrix. So as you can see right now, Motrix is rightly downloaded in your computer and installed too. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Motrix in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.